Hi friends, today start the memory unit. Already three topic complete: generation of computers, then how to work the control unit. Okay, suppose not watch that points, the title or not watch, subscribe my channel and watch and learn continue. This is the first unit. So half of them lesson over. Now start the memory unit. So memory means what? Whatever data store the separate categories. So primary memory and secondary memory. So two categories is there. Some data is stored the temporarily, some data store the permanently. So the two categories to split the data stored to our computers. Okay. So memory unit, two types which are the primary memory and secondary memory. Okay. Wow. Primary memory and secondary memory. The primary memory use the temporary store the programs and data when the instruction ready to execute. Secondary memory you store the data permanently. So two difference is there. Primary is the temporary storage, secondary is the permanent storage. Two matter one is there. So primary memory is validate memory. Yeah, validate memory. This is the importance. Validate memory. So when the power supply switch off, the random access memory is the example for main memory. The secondary memory non-valid. Suppose power switch off means your data is lost. So the secondary memory is non-valid memory. The contents are available even after the power supply switched off. Hard disk, CD-ROM. This is the permanent storage. Okay, that is the RAM and ROM. So RAM means read only memory, temporary data. Only read the data. Suppose your power, we can work out the computer, suddenly power off, your data is lost. ROM is read occur. This is read random access memory. ROM is read only memory. Okay. So input output devices. You know that input devices, keyboard, mouse, keyboard, mouse, joystick, many input devices is there. First here give the keyboard. So wireless keyboard, which many keyboard is there now. The most common input was used to today. The individual keys, letters, numbers, special characters, collectively known as the character keys. Keyboard layout derived from the keyboard of original key typewriters. The instruction given input the computer by typing the keyboard's alphabet letters. So apart from the alphabet and numeric keys, it also has the function keys for performing the different functions. They are the different keys available in the keyboard, such as the characters, modifier keys, then system and GUI keys, enter and editing keys, functions key, navigators key, numerical keyboard and log keys. Okay, this all importance. So then another one, mouse. So this is the input device. This is also wired and wireless. The pointing device used to control the movement of the cursor on the display the screen. It can be used to select the icons, menus, command buttons or activate the somethings on a computer. Some mouse action as move, click, double click or right click and drag and drop. The different types of mouse available: mechanical mouse, optical mouse. Yeah, this is the importance: mechanical mouse, optical mouse and laser mouse, air mouse, 3D mouse, tactile mouse, ergonomic mouse or a gaming mouse. That this all categories is nowadays is using. Most use the types of the mouse. Mechanical mouse. Yeah, this is the small is kept inside and untouched the pad, thought the hole at the bottom of the mouse. So when the mouse is moved, the ball rolls. This movement of the balls is converted into signal and sent to the computer. Introduction: Telefunken, German company, this year. 2/10/1968, this machine is introduced. Optical mouse, 1988. Richard's Lyon, Stephen Krish, Independence, invert the different version of the optical mouse. They measure the motion and accelerations of pointers. The use light shows instead of ball to judge the motion of the pointer. Optical mouse has 3 pointer. Optical mouse is the less sensitive towards surface. Laser mouse, the measure the motions and accelerations of the pointers. Laser mouse uses the laser light. Laser mouse is highly sensitive and able to work on any hard surface. Okay. Who invented the mouse? The mouse. So this is very important. Our computer mouse, as we know, is today was invented and developed by the Douglas, England, but with the assistance of Bill English during the 1960s, and was patented on November 17th, 1970. Douglas Engelbart invent the mouse. Okay. Yeah, this is this screen is called the fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner. Yeah, scanner is an input device. So information directly into the computers. Okay. It device work like this: Xerox machine, scanner, convert any types of the printer, write the information, include the photograph into the digital format, which can be manipulated by the computers. Okay. Yeah, this is the scanner machines. The printer fingerprint scanner. So same like that we can using the Aadhaar card Xerox copy. At that side using your thumb fingers. No, that is called the fingerprint scanner. That one is the fingerprint. Yeah, here same like this pictures. See, the fingerprint scanner is a fingerprint recognition device used for computer security. So equipped with this fingerprint recognition features that use the biometric technology. So we can once time using the fingerprint scanner, other parties not include. So not cheaters, not cheating methods, not this method using not cheated. That's why this is the safety measures. The fingerprint reader scanner is a very safe and convenient device for security incident. They using password which the vulnerable to the fraud and is hard to the remember. Yeah, this is the very important line now. Yeah, this is the fingerprinter. Then trackball. This is the old method, I think. Trackball is similar to upside down design of the mouse. Upside down design of the mouse. The user move the ball directly while the device is remaining stationary. The user spin the ball is a various direction to navigation the screen movement. Me also using this trackball mouse. We can select the one object or one image automatically, that trackball also moving. So move to one place to another place. Retinal scanner. This performance the retinal scanner, which is the biometric technique. The user unique the patterns on a person, detail the blood vessels. Light pen. A light pen is a pointing device shaped like a pen and is connected to monitor. Tips of the light pen contains a light sensitive elements which direct the light for the screen, enable this computer to identify the location of the pin on the screen. The light pen is advantage drawing directly on the screen, but is the become hard to use and is also not accurate. Then optical character reader. It is a device which detects the characters printed or written on a paper with OCR. The user can scan a page from a book. The computer will recognize the characters in the page as letters and punctuation marks and stores. The scanned the document can be editing using the word process. Same like this we can see to supermarket billing section. Some item we can coding recording using this pip sound also. So optical character reader, that each item, each stock item and the barcode readers we can use in this optical character reader using and load the amount. Barcode QR code reader. The barcode patterns printed the lines different thickness. The barcode reader. The scans the information on the barcode, transmissions the computers further processing. The system given fast and error-free entry of the information into the computer. Quick response code. The quick response code is the two-dimension barcode which can be read by the